Yeah, he's gonna fix it through the trunk.
His pill might roll off.
She's shaking her head. She's shaking her head like.
In that tournament, he's got to give the guy 8 strokes, but they got to play the same key, so that they have to.
You got to give them a clap when they get it fixed, okay? Stand up and clap.
Standing ovation. Oh, the popo.
Yeah, next time we like probably.
I dare you guys to go down there.
Look who showed to help out.
Oh God. Oh jeez. Now the cops are here.
On several occasions, he's helping me out, and I'm like, "Hey Nick, what'd you shoot?" 68. You don't even think it's. He's gonna take a breathalyzer.
She's gonna hit.
Obviously we get busted back.
Oh. That's close.
Give him a whistle!
Buy a Corvette!